Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
I've got an old-fashioned oil can with engine oil, so I'll just see if that will squirt through. Yep, quite easily. Okay, so I'll drop. So I might use a socket to push it in square. So just got to see where the how far it's got to go for the circlip. So this is slightly smaller than the body, so it should just tap it in. And the reason I use this is the seal's all soft on the inside, but the outside is a hard piece. So that supports the exact outside edge, and then ensures it's pushed in square. Okay, I can feel that lip, so this should be good to go. And here's a nifty, one side for the opening them, and this is for the type that closes. Using it backwards. One side's in. I've got a light right above my head, but it's the oil's reflecting. I can't actually focus properly. Okay, that clipped in. I think that's in, but some fatter on that side. I didn't take note. Okay, it is incorrectly. It's thicker on that back side as well, which is why more of it is sticking out. So, and also there's a second oil gallery, so the one that went from here to here that I checked. There's also this one here, which runs through and goes into the top. So, and it pops out here, so I just gave that a quick squirt, and that is all free as well. So that is all good. While I've got it out, I think I'll put all this back in. So they seem to be fractionally different in diameter, but we'll see how that sits in the bottom. I think the smaller one, so, I mean, yeah, I think that's how it goes. So that's sitting in square, gravity helps. here. Okay, I'll just torque that down. 8. I think these are all 10. I will double check. Crankcase 10. Okay, I'm glad I checked. It's 10 Newton meters for the ones on the outside, but this one here is 6 Newton meters. Okay, so this is all done.